show you how to use CSS keyframes and animations. So I already created one document here, and in this document I have already a body, a div called box1. This is what I used last time, and transition. So with this, this is what happens. I have a box 1, and then over we have all these. I can remove all these. So what we do is we first have to define a keyframe. So we have a keyframe for sliding, and it's called sliding, and with and from 100 negative 100%, that is opacity is 0, and to 10% opacity will be 1. So what we do after defining such a keyframe, we come and call it on the box. This is the box, and we called it slide in. So we come here and we say this, we give it a property of animation, and then we call the slide in, and for 3 seconds linear, and it's infinite. Then we go and check. Oh sorry, this is box 1, slide in. Okay, I've written a lot here. We have slide in. Just copy this, and on the animation bit of it I will call slide in for 3 seconds linear infinity. Let's see. Okay, we have to go live, and then we look at this. Do we have anything here? Okay, this is what we have. We have animation. We are calling the slide in. Is this box 1? Okay, it is box 1. So we should be up 5500. This is our keyframe. Let's call another keyframe color rotate. Let me see. Color rotate. Okay, color rotate. This to 0 degrees, and the color is red. At 50%, as we rotate 180 degrees, we have yellow, and at 100% we have green at 360 degrees. This is what is happening. So we define we have bounce. We shall try bounce, and here is what it is translating to y at 0, then at 50 it is y at 50 pixels, and at 100% it's at 0. So we look at this. I don't know why these are not responding. Is it because of this? Let me see. Okay. Bounce. Okay, let's first see, do we have this box? If we have no property to it, width, height, it has no background color. Okay, background color we can give it red, and then we give this the bounce is working, which means this was slide in, and this is the slide in. Okay, that's infinite. It means we can remove this infinite and we let it slide in once and settle. Okay, that's okay. So this is it. That's how we work with keyframes. You come and define you can add transitions, translations, that in a keyframe. When you come onto animation, you call the keyframe here. That is it basically. Nothing so technical. All these, I assume you know all these. So if you know all these, then it is easy for you to come up with a unique keyframe for your